Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. This is Ms. Rada Asif, your mathematics teacher from SM Public Academy, Campus 5. Today we are going to discuss ratio and proportion and cube, right? We are going to revise these two topics together. In the first half, we are going to discuss ratio and proportion, and in the second session, we will discuss cube, right? So let's begin. In ratio and proportion, we are going to discuss 7.1 and 2 and then cube, right? So, what is ratio and proportion? Ratio is a comparison of two number or quantity of same kind. Okay? Of same kind. It is a comparison of any two number or quantity of same kind. What is the meaning of this, Pete? If we are comparing length, we have to compare it with length. Okay? If we are comparing the ages, we have to compare it the age of any student. We cannot compare the height of the student with the age of any student. Is it clear that the quantity must be of same kind? Quantity must be of same kind, right? So, for example, if Ali is 10 years old and Atif is 15, we can compare their ages by subtraction also, but here we are comparing by division, that is age of Ali over age of Atif. Age of Ali is 10 over 15. So, by cancellation, we take 5 into 2 is 10 and 5 into 3 is 15, right? So, we get 2 over 3. Beta 2 over 3 can be written like 2 ratio 3. Am I right, Sheros? 2 ratio 3. So, in this ratio, the ratio which is written first, that ratio is called antecedent, and the second ratio is called consequent ratio. Sahi? So let's discuss some questions. Express each of the following ratio as simply as possible. Because we own here, what is written, we have to express ratio as simply. That means we have to simplify as much as we can. Okay. So here a length of 9 centimeter to the length of 27 centimeter. Okay. So students, first we have to check that the quantity is same. Yes, quantity is same. Now in the length, bete it might be possible कि सेंटीमीटर मीटर किलोमीटर इस तरह से मेंशन हो. Then you have to check the unit also. Okay, here again the unit is same. That means the question is so simple. The first ratio is 9 and the second ratio is 27. Okay, remember one thing, the ratio which is written first in the question, you have to mention it first. Agar you are going to write, if you are going to write 27 ratio 9, your answer will becomes wrong. Your answer will be wrong. So here 9 ratio 27. This is the answer? No. We can simplify its 9 ones are 9 and 9 threes are 27. So we get 1 ratio 3. We get 1 ratio 3. Is it clear? So the next question here, a distance of 1 kilometer to the distance of 800 meter. Now bete you can see that the quantity is same, that the distance ratio distance. Okay, first we have to mention 1 kilometer to 800 meter. But what is a problem? What is the problem in this question? What is bete here, I want to request you to please switch on your videos. Abir, switch on your videos. Here Ramla is there, Amna, very good bete. The girls are sitting, very good. Halima, very good. Aisha, very good. What about Asia, Fatma, Arib, Hania, Nusaiba, bete? Switch on your cameras. Okay, Sheroz is raising his hand. Yes, Sheroz. Sheroz, the distance of 1 kilometer to the distance of 800 meter. Can we compare them?
No, miss, we have to
First,
we
what we
have
have to
to
do?
write that as we have to first of all
Okay.
we have to write that 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meter, and we
Exactly.
would
Very good.
and then we would pick 1,000 as antecedent and 800 as consequent.
Excellent. So here, bete, we have to convert 1 kilometer into 1,000 meter. Why? Because the units must be same. When we are comparing any quantity, the units must be same. So if kilometer is there, we are going to convert it into meter. Acha. One more thing, if you want to convert 800 into kilometer, you can do it also. Okay? So that means if you want the both the distance in kilometer, you can write it as well, okay, in terms of kilometers. So here I have converted 1 kilometer into 1,000. So instead of writing 1, I have written here 1,000. Okay, now simplify at, as we have to simplify as much as we can. So 10 and 10 is cancelled, then again two zeros are there, so again we can cancel 10 here from 1,000 and 10 from 800. We get 10 ratio 8. Now 2 into 4 is 8 and 2 into 5 is 10. So we get 5 ratio 4. We cannot further simplify it, so this is the answer. The next question, the bicycle covered the distance of, now look at this question, Bete. Covers the distance of 100 kilometers in 2 hours. The cars cover the distance of 300 kilometers in 4 hours. Find the ratio of the speed of the bicycle to that of the car. Okay. Now, in the question you can see that what is given, what we have to do, bete, we have to compare the speed, but in the question speed is not given. The given part is distance and hour means time. Okay, so how can we find the speed? We know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equals to distance upon time. So for the speed of the bicycle I can write, what I can write, I can, okay, I can write here, what can I can write, distance upon time. Okay, I can write distance upon time, speed of the bicycle ratio speed of the car. First I have to write speed of the bicycle. Why? Because it is written first. Okay, so in the speed of the bicycle, beta, I can write 100 over 2. Okay, here below this I can write 100 over 2. Why, Halima? Because beta, we know that distance over time is equals to speed. So I can write 100, here I can write, here I can write 100 over 2, because 100 is the distance covered by bicycle and 2 is what, it's the time. So here distance upon time means speed of the bicycle. In the same way students, in the same way speed of the car will be 300 over 4, 300 over 4. So here we get 300 over 4 and 100 over 2. Is it clear? Now, bete, by cancelling here 2 and 100, we get 2 ones are 2 and 2 50s are 100, right? So, in the same way, here, speed of the car, we can see that 300 over 4. How can we simplify it? 4 ones are 4 and 4 sevens are 28, right? Look at the simplification. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. What left? 2 left. Okay, and 4 fives are 20, so we get 75. So here we get 50 ratio 75. We can further simplify it. We get 2 ratio 3. That means 25 into 2 is 50 and 25 into 3 is 75. So we get the simplified answer 2 ratio 3. 2 ratio 3. So what are the formulas used in exercise 7.2? What we have used, what formulas we have discussed in 7.2? We have discussed on the proportional division. These questions are based on proportional division. That means dividing a certain quantity according to the desired ratio. We have used the formula in these questions of exercise 7.2. The formula is total amount over sum of ratios multiply with individual ratio. Okay, this formula is going to be used when the amount is given. Okay, but when the length is given, we have to use total length over sum of ratio into individual ratio. Okay, when the length is given. When ages are given, we will write total years over sum of ratio into individual ratio. Okay, these are the formulas which are used when we have to divide any certain quantity according to any desired ratio, according to the desired ratio. Okay, so let's begin the questions. So, divide rupees 60 between Ali and Soha in the ratio of 1 is to 2. In the ratio of 1 is to 2. So, what we have to do in this question here, we have to divide 60 rupees. So, this is the we have to use the first formula. ठीक है आमना बेटे, we have to use here first formula, that means total amount, okay, over sum of ratio into individual ratio. Okay, what is the total amount here? In this question you can see that the total amount is given. The total amount is, yes Ramesa, total amount is rupees 60, right? We have to divide this amount between Ali and Zoha in the ratio of, once again, in the ratio of 1 is to 2. In the ratio of 1 is to 2. Acha. In this question, first what we have to write? First we have to write data, right? First we have to write the data. So what is given? Data means what is given in this question. What is given? Total amount is rupees 60, right? Ratios are given 1 ratio 2. 1 ratio 2. These ratios are individual ratio. Bete Sanya, 1 ratio is for Ali and 2 ratio is for Zoha. Okay, this is clear. 1 ratio, first ratio is for the first person, second ratio is for the second person. Now in the data we have to write the third point, that sum of ratios equals to, now the individual ratio is going to be added. We get 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Now what is required? We have to divide rupees 60 between Ali and Zoha. So required is Ali's amount and Zoha's amount. Ali and Zoha's amount. This is required. Sahi? Now, what will be the formula? Yes, Iman, formula, which is total amount over sum of ratio into individual ratio. So let's start. After writing data, after mentioning data required and formula, we have to write in the solution Ali's amount. First we have to find here Ali's amount. Ali's amount is, beta total amount is 60. So we have mentioned here, what we have mentioned here, total amount is 60. Here in this formula we have to write down 60 over here, so we have to put here 60. Then sum of ratio, is 3, right? Sum of ratio is 3, multiply with individual. Now the first ratio is 1, so here we have to write 1. Okay, Bete Ramla, the point is to be remember that Ali's amount, for Ali we have to mention the first ratio. ठीक है ना? We have to mention the first ratio. This ratio is for Ali. If you write 2 over here, your answer will be wrong. Okay, Asya, your answer will be wrong. Sumaya, ठीक है ना? Your answer will be wrong if you write 2 over here. I have to write 1 for Ali's amount. So what I have done, I just put the values of total amount ratios and individual ratio in the given formula. So 3 ones are 3, okay, 3 twos are 6, and 0 is there. So 20 into 1 is what we will get? Rupees 20. What we will get here? Rupees 20. Why rupees? Because it's an amount. You have to mention your answer with units. So the unit is rupees 20. Next question. Next, Zoha's amount. We have to find Zoha's amount also. So Zoha's amount is similar. What is the only difference between Zoha's and Ali amount? Of individual ratio. Okay, this ratio that means individual ratio for Zoha is, individual means Ali ratio is 1 and Zoha ratio is 2. So here Zoha ratio we have to put 2 over here. Okay, total amount over sum of ratio into individual ratio. So Nusaiba, again 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6, and we have to write 0. We get 22s are Rabia, 22s are rupees 40. Iman, is it clear? Jay Kumar, we get rupees 40. Okay, we get rupees 40. Now, in the end, we have to mention the results, Subhana. We get Ali's amount rupees 20 and Zoha's amount rupees 40. Clear? Now we can check our answer also by adding 20 and 40. Between 20 and 40 we get 60. That means our total amount is rupees 60. It's the correct answer. When we add these two amounts and it is equal to the total amount, that means our answer is correct. ठीक है? Now the next question, ages of Anam and Sabas are in the ratio of 5 is to 4, are in the ratio of 5 is to 4 if the sum of their ages in 45 years, find their ages. Okay, find their ages. So beta, here first we have to write the data. Okay, first we have to write the data. In the data you can see total years is equals to 45 years. Now don't write total amount, it's years. In the question years is mentioned, so you have to write total years is equals to 45 years. Now the ratios are 5 ratio 4 and sum of ratios are 5 plus 4. Sum of ratio means add these two ratios, we get 5 ratio 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Is it clear? Aman Jahan Mughal, is it clear bete? Clear or not? Rabia, Nusaiba, Iman Jahan, is it clear, bete? Okay. So, what is required in this question? Find their ages. What is written over here? Find their ages. So here we can write in the required Anam's age and Sabah's age. Anam's age and Sabah's age. Okay. So now we have to write the formula. Aisha Hassan, what will be the formula here for this question? The formula is total years over sum of ratio into individual ratio. Okay. Now don't write total amount, we have to write total years. ठीक है ना? Now in the solution, first find out Anam's age. For Anam's age, what will be the ratio? Yes, Sheroz, what will be the ratio for Anam's age? For
The
Anam,
ratio of age would be 45 upon 9 into 5.
exactly, very good. So here, yes, Halima. Yes, Halima. So we get 45 over 9 into 5, right? So
Given.
9 ones are 9 and 9.
9 5 of
Okay, then what will be the answer, Halima?
If I put 25 for other age is equals to 25.
Very good. So we get here 25 years. ठीक है? Halima, Vania, beta, we have to mention here the units also. So here we can write years. Now Halima, how can we find next is Sabah's age. For Sabah's age, what will be the ratio? What will be the ratio for Sabah age? Yes, Halima, quickly beta, give me the answer. Okay, Vania is raising her hand. Yes, Vania.
45 upon 4 is 45 upon 9 is multiplied by 4.
Very good. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? 9 ones are 9 and 9 into 5 is 45. And 5 into 4 is? Yes, Hania. Yes, Hania.
It's 20 years.
20 years. 20 years. Very good, Hania. Hania, can we check that our answer is correct? How can we check the answer? Hania, can we check our answer?
Miss, by adding 25 and 20, we can check our answer.
So by adding 25 into 20, what will we get?
45.
Very good. And that is the total years mentioned. Thank you. So that means these questions are clear to you. Very good. You all are raising your hand. So any question, now you can raise your hand if you have any question, any query regarding exercise 7.1 and 7.2. Now raise your hand. Now no one is raising hand. Very good. That's great. If you have any problem, you can ask me. No? Arib is having any problem? One second. Yes, Arib. Yes, Arib. Arib. Unmute yourself, bete. So, student, let's start the classwork. Okay. So, kindly, the index is on your screen. You have to make this index in your maths classwork copy. Okay. You have to make this index in maths classwork copy. Okay. Maths classwork copy. Yes, Arib. 7.1 question 9, 7.2 question 2
मिस
and cube
थर्ड
question 1.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया.
Sorry, repeat your question.
थर्ड लास्ट क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया.
Third last, which one bete?
मिस एक तो एयर वाला था अभी जो आपने कराया उससे पहले और उससे जो प्रीवियस वाला था वो वाला नहीं आया समझ.
Bete, amount, Ali's amount and
यस
Zuha's amount.
यस मिस.
Okay, bete, okay. I'm going to explain again. So, students, kindly make the index 7.1 question 9, 7.2 question 2 and cube question 1. Cube question 1. Cube question 1. 7.1 question 9, 7.2 question 2 and cube question 1. Quickly make the index where you are making index in your maths classwork copy. Today we are going to revise two topics. Okay. Ari, make the index. I will explain that question again to you. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, Taba. Any problem, bete? Adan, where were you, bete? Adan, you have joined class right now. Why? Where were you? Yes, Taba. Any problem? Shafin, Saad Khurram, everything is clear, bete? So, if you have any problem, you can ask me in the chat box. Last 10 minutes for the session. So, now you can ask any question if you are having in the chat box. And one more thing, you can write down your name section properly in the chat box. Saad, kindly switch on your camera. So, you all have copied the index. Let's start the classwork today. We are going to attempt in your book question number 9 here, question 9, then question number 2 here, okay, and cube question 1, which I will give you by myself. I will give you by myself. So let's start. Yes, Jay Kumar, very good, bete. Jay, what we have to do, bete? Exercise 7.1, question number 9. Make the write down date in the left corner. Exercise 7.1, question 9. Copy down this question. Express each of the following ratio as simply as possible. Let me tell you the page number from your book. Okay, page 110. Which page number? Page number 110. Okay, page 110. Kindly open page 110 and start solving question number 9. Start solving question number 9. Page 110. Page 109. Start solving this question. Shafin Jabbar, where are you, bete? Shafin. Shafin, Adan, Rida. Kindly mention your name in the chat box, bete. Are you there? Okay. So while you are completing this question, okay, 7.1 question 9, then start 7.2 question number 2. In the same time, I'm going to explain uh, the first question of 7.2, which I have already explained to Arif. Shafin, if your camera is not working, it's not possible that your camera is not working. I know that it's working, but if you are saying so, kindly share your answer right now in the chat box. And tomorrow, I want to see you with your open camera. Okay? Right now, you can share your answer in the chat box, Shafin. Where is Taba? Taba, you're not writing anything in the chat box. Are you there or not? So, Arib, I am going to explain this question to Arib. Everybody, kindly solve the today's question. Okay, I am here explaining this question to Arib. So, Arib, we have to divide rupees 60 between Ali and Zoha in the ratio of 1 is to 2. So here the total amount, what is the total amount? Here the total amount which is going to be divided is 60, and ratio for Ali is 1 and ratio for Zoha is 2. Is it clear? We have to write total amount, ratio, that is 1 ratio 2, and sum means we have to add these two ratios. We get 2, 1 plus 2 बेटे क्या होता है 3. ठीक है. What is required is Ali amount and Zoha's amount. If we are dividing any amount between two students, we have to find out na कि which amount is for first student and which is for second student, how much first student get or how much second. We can write here what Ali's gets and what Zoha's get.
मिस इसका प्रीवियस वाला आपको समझाना था यार, समझ आ गया, सिर्फ प्रीवियस वाला समझा रहे.
You just said that explain this question.
मिस प्रीवियस वाला ये तो
अच्छा.
आ गया समझ.
Okay. Okay, you want me to explain this question.
Yes.
Bete, do you know the formula of speed? Arif, स्पीड फॉर्मूला क्या होता है बेटे? यस अरीब, स्पीड का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ स्पीड अरीब?
मिस नहीं आ रहा यार.
नहीं आ रहा? अभी तो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था. देखें, स्पीड, द फॉर्मूला ऑफ स्पीड इज डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. इसीलिए समझ में नहीं आ रहा. लिसन, डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. Okay, first देखिए, find the ratio of speed of the bicycle to that of the car. So I have written speed of the bicycle to that of the car. Is it clear? Is it clear, Arif? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, so bete first I have to write that this, what is the speed of the bicycle. but in this question speed is not mentioned, distance and time is mentioned. So we know that speed का formula है distance upon time. So here distance is 100 and time is, time कितना है बाईसाइकिल का? अरीब टाइम कितना है यहाँ पे?
2 hours.
2 hours. So I have written here 100 over 2 and here I have written 300 over 4. Is it clear now?
Yes.
So by cancellation, bete by cancellation 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28 and how much left? 30 minus 28, 2 left. Okay, so 5 fours are, Adi 5 fours are, bete 5
20.
fours are 20. So we get 50 75. ठीक है, 50 रेशो 75. नाउ वी कैन फर्दर कैंसिल इट. कैसे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं बेटे? 25 इंटू 2. 25 into 2 is, we know that 25 into 2 is 50. So we get 25 2s are 50 and 25 3s are 75. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. You can also ask questions during the lecture by raising your hands, bete. You all are allowed. Okay. So thank you so much, Ari, for asking question. So where were we? Okay. So here is question number 9. I hope you all have completed this question. Here we have to compare what? Bete, what we have to compare here? We have to compare. We have to compare old price ratio new price. Old price ratio new price. Have you completed this question, student? You can raise your hand in the chat box. Okay, Hania. Yes, Hania. What is the answer?
Miss 15 plus 15 upon 17.
15 over
17.
17. Okay. What is the answer, Sheroz? Yes. What is the answer?
Mr. 17.
Okay. What is the answer, Halima?
Miss rupees 15, ratio rupees 17.
Okay. Now, one thing, bete, Sumaya. Yes. What is the answer, Sumaya? Yes, Sumaya. Answer is Sumaya. Answer. I can't hear you. You can show your copy. You can show your copy, bete. Okay. So one thing, the last Halima was saying that rupees 15 ratio rupees 17, bete. There's no need to write units. Okay. When we are simplifying the ratio, we will write only 15 ratio 17. Excellent. So Maya, can you show me the next question? Very good. Aisha Hassan, show me the next question. Have you completed this question? Question number 2 of 7.2. Can you show me this question? Question number 2 is divide rupees 70. Acha, Aisha, we just cut this rupees here. Where is Aisha? Okay, Aisha is there. Aisha, Aisha is there. So Maya, can you please show me your copy again? Yes, Aisha is showing her copy. Dikhe. In Aisha's copy, no rupees is mentioned. It's perfectly fine. Okay, there's no need to write down rupees like this. Now, please show me the next question, 7.2, question number 7.2, question number 2 quickly, bete. Okay, that's good. Aisha, please show me your copy. Sumaya is also showing her copy. Here, Nuseba is raising her hand. Okay, Nuseba. Nuseba. Okay, show me your copies on the screen of exercise 7.2 question number 2. Here only Sumaya is showing the copy. Why? Kindly show me your copies, everybody. You have not completed this question? Please show me your copy. What happened to Subhana, Fatma, Shafin, Saat Khurram Bete? Show me your copy. Yes, Asya. Kindly show me the copy. Show me your copy. Only Sumaya is showing her copy. Okay, here Nuseba, Sheroz, and Sumaya. Okay, Nuseba, 15 ratio 17. Very good. Okay, Fatma. Bete, show me the next question. Next question, Bete. Next. You have not completed, I think, this question. Okay. Okay, so this is exercise 7.2, question number 2. Total amount ratio is 2 ratio 1. Why? Because the boy has twice as much as girl. Perfect. Sum of ratio is 2 plus 1. We get 2 plus 1, 3. So total amount over sum of ratio into individual ratio. So for in the solution, we have to write Amjad's amount. Right, so for Amjad amount, Sumaya has written individual ratio 2. Very good, Sumaya, perfect. 75 over 3 into 2, we get rupees 50. Perfect. And Razia's amount. Perfect. So less than, we don't have that much time. Just wait for 10 minutes. Kindly complete this question. Okay, see you after 10 minutes. Okay, see you after 10 minutes. Here I must appreciate Sumaya. She has completed question number 2 first. Okay, very good, Sumaya bete. Excellent. Sheroz, you have also completed the question. Very good. See you after 10 minutes. Then I will ask you to share your index as well